Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. This is Mr. P. Now I'm just going to be showing you something quickly. Now look at something. Now what I'm showing here is a pure trade. Look at what just happened. Boom. Telling us, it's actually showing us this guy here, right? It's actually showing us this guy here. Okay, let me just zoom in on the 4 hours. What did it tell us? It's showing us that this guy just broke again. It broke and landed at this spot. It broke and landed at this spot, went up to retest, to what? To drop back down. It's that easy. Guys, there's no need to stress yourself so much about trading. Look, I have just 88 USD here. I just want to show this stuff for those that have extremely low capital, that you are just scared of the rest. See, volatility is actually so easy to trade. Look, now what do? I just go to 15 minutes to confirm. I'm seeing it now. It's moving towards my normal direction. What do I do now? I just come here, I zoom again, and I check here to confirm. Now, boom, look at it. It's actually so clean. Tell me that, hey, I can even hold this trade for a very long time. I can even hold this trade for 2 hours straight if I want. But then I will just actually show you the video quickly. What do? I just go to my 1 minute now. Boom. What's about to happen here? It's about to break out here and just run down like it's crazy. See, these charts are actually so plain to use. There's actually nothing here. I just actually have this low capital. Like someone gave me this account. So I just say, okay, let me just actually just help this person to build this stuff, and let me just actually show it here. I just took something. I took 0.06. I just took 0.06. Let me see. Let me just try taking 0.02 again on a sell. Now, this is actually not my account. Someone just gave me this to actually help him to build. So I'm like, let me just create a video using it and just like show guys how these stuffs are done. So I'm just helping someone to do this stuff. It is actually not my account. I told you that this stuff is going to break out just now, and you are seeing it. It's breaking out. See, and this trade, the funny thing is that this trade has not even started. The trade will keep moving down. It will just keep moving down. See, guys, I know what I'm talking about. When I actually show you trades, when I actually come here, I don't analyze the chart and tell you, okay, it's a buy for me. No, I actually analyze the chart and show you exactly how the movement will be. Now, you see, it's actually going up to try to retrace on the rest, but those stuffs are just to scare you out of the market, because your 15-minute time frame has already shown you what's happening. I'm showing you this so to tell those that, hey, see, I know, like for us now, we'll be so scared. Oh, it's going to red. Let me leave now. But there's actually nothing here. You can see there's actually nothing here. It's going to red to just retrace a little and touch this guy back here. It's going to touch this guy. Let me just quickly show you. It's going to touch this guy. Let me quickly show you that it's going to touch this guy, which is it just did now, and do what? And keep dropping back down. That's just exactly what's about to do. It's going to touch this guy, boom, which it just did, and boom, it will keep dropping back down. So there's no need to lose profit. There's no need to lose profit. See, I'm not here to gamble or show you something. This is someone's account, so I can't be gambling with someone's account. I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing here. So you are just going to see it now. It's just going to drop down like this. It's just going to drop down like this. I just want to hit a target of like let's just see how it goes. So this stuff is about to hit down now crazily. I'm not taking this stuff out. I want it to go down because that's how it's supposed to move. So I'm not going to take this stuff out. There's no need of taking this stuff out. Now, I don't know. It's just trying to still play around because of time. So you can just be patient. Now, but look at something. Just as it moves, look at something. Now, this particular trade on its own, I can actually hold it for a long time. Why? Because see, it's actually going on a 4 hours time frame. It's actually going to meet this guy again before it even thinks of going back up and coming down again. But the overall movement of this guy is this. So sorry, it's this. It's going to move down it and drop down to this place. This may take days to complete, but what I'm doing here is just scalping. So I'm not here to take all those funny long trades and the rest. I'm just here to just do some nice scalping. So you can see it's still moving, but I don't want to close this stuff because it has not done what I want yet. This is not what I want. I know what I'm talking about. This is not what I want. It's supposed to just move normally now, so let's just wait a little. This is not what I want yet. It's not giving me. Okay, now it's giving me what I want, so it's moving now. So guys, this is how you work with the market. So you can see I'm over this now, I'm over this, you can see it's moving. See guys, see I'm not just here to tell you what I am not here to tell you what I don't know. Like, I'm not here to tell you that, hey, see, I'm not, this is how you scalp the market, guys. This is just how you scalp the market. This was 88 USD, and you can see what it's leading to now, guys. You can see now it's moving. I told you how this stuff will move. Is just going to break and start shooting down, and you can see it already, guys. I think I will just end this video here, guys. So it's a buy for me. Peace.